Hey everyone, it's JoJo, and can you all please welcome the return of JYNX Ouroboros. If you guys don't know, this is my 3D printed Beyblade. I'll post a link in the description to the original video and also a battle I did with JYNX Ouroboros. And it's been months since I've used this Beyblade. It's been laying dormant until a worthy challenger has approached. And a pretty worthy one has. Here I have Wyvang Dragoon BD145 RDF. This is Alta's combo. Alta is a blader from LA, a user on the WBO, and he's pretty good in my opinion. So this is his partner Bey, and we're gonna throw it up against JYNX Ouroboros. And if you guys don't know, JYNX Ouroboros is a dual spin. And so, real quick, let's go over the parts. So, the top part, JYNX Ouroboros, I got the 0 disc, and the frame is called Viper, and it's basically like proof. And I have this black and purple atomic. It's the only driver that can really hold all of its weight. Alright, so first we're going to keep JYNX Ouroboros in right spin and then switch it over to left. First to 5 will be the winner. Everything will be 1 point. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, double knockout. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, and Dragoon got knocked out. 1 point to JYNX Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like Dragoon is just staying away from JYNX Ouroboros, barely touching it, letting it waste all of its stamina. And a point to Dragoon, Wyvang Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, and a knockout. Another point to JYNX Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. So I kind of light launched that one, see they'll help with some spin stealing. Maybe not. Ooh, that was pretty close though, but Dragoon gets a point. 3, 2, 1, go. Doesn't look good for JYNX. Dragoon is still spinning really strong. Oh, another close one, but Dragoon gets a point. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, that could have been a knockout. Oh no! Ooh, really close again, but another point to Dragoon. It only needs one more to win. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! Oh, that could have been another knockout. JYNX Ouroboros is just too heavy and too unstable. And your winner is Alta with Wyvang Dragoon BD145 RDF, but we are not done yet because we could change the spin on JYNX Ouroboros. Now both Beyblades will be in left spin. Let's see who will be the best at that. So let's do this battle over again. First to 5 will be the winner. Everything is 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, looks like JYNX OUROBOROS tried to strike at Wyvang Dragoon, but it wasn't enough. And just look how unstable that Beyblade is. Oh, and a point to Wyvang Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I get a knockout. Oh, it doesn't look good for me. Oh, and another point to Wyvang Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, what? JYNX OUROBOROS got knocked out. That is 3 in a row for Wyvang Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, go. They're just circling around each other. Oh, that was really close. But either way, Wyvang Dragoon still wins. Alright, this is my last chance. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there it is. There's the knockout I've been looking for. 1 point out of this whole battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, whoa! How did Dragoon manage to stay? Oh, what a terrible defeat! Oh, ouch! That just like stabbed me through the heart a little bit. Like, oh, JYNX OUROBOROS has been defeated in both rotations. This Beyblade, you know what? It's just too unstable. That's all it is. I am not powerful enough to wield this Beyblade. I am not worthy of this Beyblade. Alright, your winner is Alta with Wyvang Dragoon BD145 RDF. And yeah, of course, he beats me. Not even in person. That's just typical of Alta. But anyway, if you've got a combo that you think can also defeat JYNX OUROBOROS, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time with more Beyblade. See you soon.